Welcome to the Junior Star YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe it today.
A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, and D is for dog. E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for guitar, and H is for hog. I is for ice cream, J is for jump, K is for kite, and L is for lollipop. M is for monkey, N is for nest, O is for octopus, and P is for pest. Q is for queen, R is for rainbow, S is for sun, and T is for tango. U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for whale, and X is for xylophone. Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. ABC is where it's at, oh yeah. Learning letters, that's a fact, oh yeah. From A to Z, it's so much fun, singing the alphabet one by one. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, and D is for dog. E is for elephant, F is for frog, G is for guitar.